Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations with constant coefficients. So in this method here, how to finding the particular integral of method 3. So when the right hand side of the differential equation is of the form x power m into y power n. Here m and n are positive integers. M and n are positive integers. So then the particular integral, that is 1 by f of d comma d dash into x power m into y power n. So here 1 by f of d comma d dash can be written as f of d comma d dash whole power minus 1 into x power m into y power n. So this is the particular integral of method 3. So here f of d comma d dash will be solved by using the formulas that are 1 plus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus x whole power minus 1 and so on. So coming to the problems on this method. First problem, d square minus d dash square minus 3d plus 3d dash into z equal to xy. So here I am writing this in the form of d minus d dash into d plus d dash minus 3 into z equal to xy. So here complementary function. So in this here m equal to 1 and a equal to 0. So in this bracket here m equal to minus 1 and a equal to 3. So our complementary function, that is e power 0x into f1 of y plus x plus e power 3x into f2 of y minus x. So final complementary function f1 into y plus x plus e power 3x into f2 of y minus x. So this is the complementary function. Next coming to the particular integral. So particular integral of this function, that is 1 by f of d comma d dash into x power m into y power n. So this can be written as f of d comma d dash whole power minus 1 into x power m into y power n. So therefore here f of d comma d dash values are d minus d dash into d plus d dash minus 3 into xy. So here I am writing d minus d dash. So in this here I am taking d is common, then 1 minus d dash by d. So second function here I am taking minus 3 is common. So minus 3 common, then 1 minus of d plus d dash by 3 into xy. So 1 by here minus 3 into d, that is minus 3d, 1 minus d by d dash by d whole power minus 1 into 1 minus of d plus d dash by 3 whole power minus 1. So in this, by expansion of these two brackets, here I am using the formula, that is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. So minus 1 by 3d of 1 minus x. So 1 minus x first bracket expansion, that is 1 plus d dash by d plus d dash square by d square. So this is first bracket. And coming to the second bracket expansion, 1 plus d by 3 plus d dash by 3 plus d plus d dash by 3 whole square. So this is the second bracket into xy. Minus 1 by 3d of 1 plus d dash by d into, here I am taking only first terms. So next bracket 1 plus d by 3 plus d dash by 3 into xy. So therefore minus 1 by 3d of multiplying these two brackets, 1 plus d by 3 plus d dash by 3 plus d dash by d plus d dash by 3d plus d dash square by 3d into xy. So here minus 1 by 3d into 1 plus xy. So that is xy plus 1 by 3 into d of xy plus 1 by 3 into d dash of xy plus 1 by d into d dash of xy plus 1 by 3d into next term 1 by 3d of d dash of xy plus 1 by 3d of d dash square of xy. So here d of xy is nothing but differentiation with respect to x. So differentiation with respect to x is here y. Next d dash of xy is nothing but here differentiation with respect to y. Then this value is x. Again here d dash square of xy. So that is equal to 1. Next d square of xy equal to here 0. So therefore by and here d dash of xy. So d dash of xy is nothing but differentiation, that is d dash value is first d of xy value is y. So then d dash of y value is 1. So d dash of xy value is 1. So by substituting these values here minus 1 by 3d xy plus 1 by 3 into d of xy value is y plus 1 by 3 into d dash of xy value x plus 1 by d into d dash of xy, that is x, plus 1 by 3 into 1 by d of d dash of xy value 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by d of d dash square of xy value 0. So minus 1 by 3d into xy plus y by 3 plus x by 3 plus 1 by d of x. So 1 by d of x, that is integration of x. So integration of x is nothing but here x square by 2 plus 1 by 3 into integration 1 by d of 1. So integration of 1 is x. Next value 0. So again here minus 1 by 3 of 1 by d of this term. So 1 by d is nothing but integration of xy. So integration of xy is nothing but here x square by 2 into y. So that is integration of xy value. Integration of xy, x square by 2 into y, and then next term integrate 1 by 3 into integration of y. So here y is constant, integration of 1 value is x. Next term integration of x by 3. So integration of x is x square by 2. Next term integration of 1 by 2 into integration of x square. So that is x cube by 3. Next term 1 by 3 into integration of x is x square by 2. So minus 1 by 3 into x square by 2 into y plus xy by 3 plus x square by 6 plus x cube by 6 plus x square by 6. So minus 1 by 3 into x square y by 2 plus xy by 3 plus x square by 6 x square by 6. So that is 2x square by 6, that can be written as x square by 3 plus x cube by 6. So this is our particular integral. So here I am writing general solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral. So complementary function, that is f1 into y plus x plus e power 3x into f2 of y minus x plus here particular integral value minus 1 by 3 of x square y by 2 plus xy by 3 plus x square by 3 plus x cube by 6. So this is the general solution of given problem. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.